Type of girl that'll make you wanna dream. Type of girl that comes straight off the screen. Type of girl wanna ice and make me freeze. Type of girl you wanna wife up, sign a breathe. I bring money to the table, not your dinner. Both my body and my bank account could figure. Thinking about me, but there's nothing to consider. If I let you in my circle, you a winner. Didn't know that you were cold till you threw my fire. Heaven gate just opened up, getting quiet. You say you're something else, you a liar. Cause I'm that girl that drive you crazy, but you can't leave me alone. Got you thinking maybe I was supernatural. And the spells all look into a crystal ball. I'm not like these other girls at all. I'm the type of girl that make you forget that you got a type. Type that make you love it when the only thing you done is lie. I'm the type of girl, I'm the type of girl. I'm the type of girl, I'm the type of girl. Like ta-ta-ta, ta-da-da-da. Like ta-ta-ta, ta-da-da-da. I'm the type of girl that everybody tap, what everybody like. You can shake my stack, got everybody's eye and the run damn lap down, everybody's mine. All of these girls on some uppercase shit, that mean they all cap. Being the best at whatever I do, that's sounding on brand. Type of girl that you wish for when you blow the candle out. Type of girl that you wanna take back to your mama house. Type of girl that don't ask for what she wants, she's taken out. Type of girl who got bag and same quality as Chanel. Now you know that you were cold cause you found my fire. Heaven's gate just opened up, hearing quiet. If you say something else, you a liar. Cause I'm that girl that drive you crazy, but you can't leave me alone. Got you thinking maybe I was supernatural. Put you under spells or look into a crystal ball. I'm not like these other girls at all.